Hi guys, this is Bailey from Iceboxauto. Just doing a quick video on a Nissan Micra unit we've installed. I can't remember what year the car is, but there'll be a picture that says what year it is, so have a look at that. This unit is our Style 3 HV system, so it's got a 8-core processor with 4GB of RAM and then 64GB of internal storage. You've probably seen the style of video it is before anyway, but this is installed in a car we've not done before. We've also installed a DAB antenna to the unit, which pretty much is just a USB dongle which plugs in, and then we've also linked it to the car's original DAB antenna instead of having the antenna stick onto the windscreen, which is obviously a better way of doing it. It works with the steering wheel controls, so that's all working there. Skip forward and backwards, I believe should work on this. Yep. And then obviously if you want to save stuff, this is Dab Dream, this one, so if you just tap and hold and they save and stuff. I've also paired up to the Android Auto from my phone. It'll also do Apple CarPlay as well. But yeah, that'll do Spotify. I don't have my data switched on my phone, but that's pretty much it. But yeah, I don't have data on my phone at the moment. Moving on, obviously it'll do your maps and whatnot, and Android Auto it'll do OK Google, so that'll work. Obviously already knows stuff about where I've been and whatnot because it's linked up to my phone. Going on, these are all the applications on the unit. So you'd have equalizers, this one over here is your that's your application for your Android Auto or your Apple CarPlay. Google Play Store, where you download applications to the unit. You swipe down, you've got your Wi-Fi, brightness, eye comfort, which is just, you know, similar to your phone, where once it gets to a certain time it'll reduce the blue light. Data, if you want to put a SIM card into it. Generally we install the SIM card dongle into the glove box. Airplane mode, useless. Screen off and on, clean memory, standby and reboot, which are pretty standard. There's tons of settings on this one. This is your the car's original settings. So yeah, some of this stuff would have been on the original radio. And then in here you've got the actual device settings. So you've got Wi-Fi, similar to any Android phone. Exact same thing, pretty much. Data, SIM information, if you put a SIM card into it. More will probably take you to networks, hotspot tether, and so on and so forth. Device settings, display, sound, etc. Keypad tone is what you want to switch off if you don't want it to beep at you when you press stuff. Subwoofer, equalizer, all sorts of stuff, to be honest. GPS, that's just your GPS tester. Storage, that'll bring up the applications on it. Your ROM, which is your read-only memory, so that's how stuff's stored on the unit. This is the 2 and 32GB version, not the 4 and 64, sorry. So yeah, 60% of that's used just by the operating system. App information, that's all the applications that are built into it straight away. General settings, these are all kind of how the unit generally works, is what I like to say. Launch your apps if you want to install a different home screen to a navigation app. These are all hotkeys and stuff. Fan settings, there's not a fan on this unit, so that doesn't matter. Factory settings 3368 gets you in here. There's your CAN bus settings for your steering wheel controls, make sure they all work. Car model, original car agreement, there's absolutely tons. Door on and off, so if you open the door, there you go, driver's door, open, close. But yeah, there's absolutely tons. I'll just scroll through them, to be honest, so you can have a look at them. Boot screen logo, if you want it to say something instead of Android 15 when it boots up, you can do. Touchscreen calibration, I think you can also set that up by holding 5 fingers to it. Never mind. Some of them have a hotkey for it where you do that, but this one doesn't. But yeah, there's absolutely tons of stuff on it. User, these are all like your account information and stuff, and then system will just be your device info and stuff and whatnot. But yeah, that's pretty much it, to be honest. Any questions or anything, obviously leave a comment down below or get in touch We'll leave a link to the item in the website, not in the website, in the description. That'll get you to the website. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Cheers, thank you, bye bye.